Hey guys, what's up? Dr. Mahesh here. Today we are gonna talking about the Nivo. The old name was Anshare. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get upcoming videos in the future. Now we go to the coinmarketcap.com. We can see Anshare is among the top 20 coins. Its around market cap is around 40 millions and price right now is around $7. It has limited supply, around 50 million circulating into the market now out of total 100 millions to be produced. So we will see the technical aspects in a short. It does not have too much long history because it's a new coin. It is consolidating between $5 to $10 and it is continued to be uptrend because it has very good support around $5. It has maintained through last few months since June. Before that its price was very low. So if market goes up, it may go with the market into uptrend. Now we compare the market cap with the supply. It has very less supplies compared to the total market cap. If we consider other coins, those having same market cap have a very low value. So considerably it has more chances to go up. It has been listed into the Bittrex majority and other exchanges also. But most of the coins are traded in. Now we will see the historical price data. It has very low price in the last year around 2016. It hasn't recently gained and its prices has too much gained in the last 3 to 4 months and it is going to uptrend. Let's see now what is Andshares. Andshares is a digitalized and distributed ledger protocol that digitalizes real world assets into the digital ones. Means it just doesn't act as a cryptocurrency only, it acts as a trading deposits and other things via e-contracts. E-contracts differs this coin particularly with the other coins. It digitalizes token, it distributes a digitalized token via e-contracts and that could recording rights such as equities and claims, securities, financial contracts, credit points and everything else. And it goes through peer-to-peer networks, credit points and other things also. It will be different from a Bitcoin in a regard of Bitcoin acts as a parallel to system existence once, but the Andshares will build a financial system bridging to the real world assets. It has two parts, Andshares and Endcoins. There will be 100 million Andshares. There will not be a further Andshares after the 100 million. It will be 100 million for the lifetime, and it will be used for the bookkeeper elections as well as anti-coin generation via blogs, acquiring extra services through altcoins, voting for major issues and blockchain. Altcoins. There will be 100 million altcoins and those will be generated within 22 years by the time period of step by step as the difficulty or hardness level increases. Now we'll see a key features. It will be the China's first blockchain and it will be supported by government. As it is supported by the government, it will have great scope. Second is the design supports the many digital assets, not to the particular one. It issues the certificate of guarantee or the trust, so it will have great faith in the market. It acts through many languages, smart contracts through many languages, not to particular one. As Ethereum only acts on the Solidity language or other also. It actually basics on a C hash, but it will also support other languages also. It has AVM, Anshare Virtual Machines. It's a very lightweight machine. It has superconductive trade mechanism, innovative DBFT consensus and cross-chain interoperational protocol. Means through and through it has many key features as compared to the other cryptocurrencies, particularly to the it is a Chinese and it supports to the many languages and whatever is the market or the product, if it has to be succeed, it should have very good marketing strategy with the partners also. And ShareOnYo has a many partners, particularly these three partners, Alibaba, Wings and Microsoft are the major big partners. If we talk about Alibaba, it is China's biggest online marketing company like Amazon, US, United States. We all know the Microsoft. It has official tie with Microsoft. Recently it has some conference to the Microsoft office in Beijing and it also tied up with the Wings also. So if we think to the marketing strategy, it has very good support with the very big bank partners. Now let's discuss about the projected price if we now invest into. I just made a mathematical division in which current market capital of Ethereum is divided by the current market cap of the NEO. If that means it has 52% times of growth potential, or the 4700% or 47 times price movement in the future. That means if the NEO reaches up to the current market cap of the Ethereum, its price will be around 4700 times or 300. Now we'll see the 2 billion market cap. It is reachable. It can reach up to within a year also. And the current market of is around $36 million. Means it has potential to grow 5.5 times to the current price. Current price is a 7.2 US dollars, which is multiplied by 5.49, means it can reach up to the 40 US dollars if it has market capital of $2 billion, and it can go up to there as per as market and its potential also concerned. Which if we invest it for a short time, it can give a very good returns, and if we keep for more and more time for the longer terms of duration, it has also potential to go up to the long terms returns also. So friends, I'll just suggest you just buy as many as possible and keep it for short time, or you can keep for so long time. It will definitely give you more and more returns. Okay, now we can click on subscribe. I'm requesting again, and play button also to get reminders of the videos. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.